Hey guys, welcome to Teo's Sake. We're in the spring, but it's super hot already. I think I have a feeling this summer is going to be very hot. Anyways, we have a whole house AC system. However, days like this, you know, occasional warm days, we don't run the AC, we run fans to cool off. So I went ahead and ordered this Shark Bladeless Turbo Fan from Amazon. It's just arrived. It's a fairly big box, a little heavy too, so I'm kind of curious how it is. This is a brand new product just released by Shark. So let's go ahead and open to see what it looks like. This thing arrived last night. All right, here's the box within the box. Here it is. All right, let's put this aside. Get rid of this giant shipping box. More like a shipping crate. All right, this is supposed to have 180 degrees oscillation, and it has 10 speeds. It's called Turbo Fan, but technically it's a turbo fan, but it's technically bladeless, and it's incredibly adjustable. So I'm really curious. The model number of this is TF202SWH. And what I'll do is I'll have this linked in my description of this video, so you can further check the details. Being really careful opening this. I don't want to put this awesome blade right through the box. By the way, if you're curious, I made a review about this blade, so you can check it out in my channel. All right, when we open the box, we greeted with a remote control with 2 Duracell batteries. That's a good sign, high quality batteries. And here's a little quick start guide. And a big box next to it. We're gonna get into it later. And I assume this is the base unit. All right, and there's nothing else in the box that I can see. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually flip that box, use it like a table, so we can look into further details. TurboBlade, Shark TurboBlade. All right, here's the base unit. It's a fairly big base. Looks like over 30 centimeters, or like 13, 14 inches wide maybe, as far as diameter goes. All right, here she is. Here's the base. There's some rubber pads underneath. Very cool. Remove tape after assembly. Okay. There are tapes to stop the movement pretty much everywhere. Very nice packaging. Okay, there's one more here. This is the handle where you move this thing around. Let's go ahead and open this. It's white, but it's kind of like a light gray white, and a nice Shark emblem on it. Select button on the base to power on off, or hold down the button on the base to change speeds. Okay, this is like in case if you use it without the remote. All right, let's put these things away. All this access stuff we don't need. All right, let's get into this box. See what's in this box. This is, I assume, where it says pole and blades. Yep, that's where the mechanism is. All right, this is very well packaged. I have other Shark items. I think I have a vacuum over there, an old vacuum. We got it years ago from Shark. I think that was our first Shark item we purchased ever. And we were so impressed. We have a cordless from Shark, now this from Shark. I think they're up there with Dyson. I think Dyson is not what it used to be, in my opinion. I have a robot vacuum from Dyson. Honestly, it's a $1,200 joke. It's already been replaced, so I don't know. Hopefully I had a dud. This new one will be good. I didn't open the box yet. Here's one of the blades. So what happens is the assembly is halfway done. Very minimal assembly required. And it's so easy. This is where the air blows, and every one of them has a letter. Like this is C, this is B, and this one is A. There's an A on it. All right. So what I'm going to do is remove tape after assembly. I'm not going to touch to that tape, but I'm going to remove this tape. If you notice, I'm not even reading the instructions, which is a big mistake. I highly recommend you guys to read at least a quick install guide. Okay. My bad habits passing on to my viewers. Okay, it tells you what's in it, and it tells you how to assemble it. So number one is the base is there. Number two, it says place the B on top of the A based on these little notches. So you go like this, and I think lock it up in a way. Here we go. Yep. And when it locks, it makes this noise. Very satisfying noise. And here's the C. It says place the C in the B. All right. Oh wow, it locks itself. Very cool. And here it is. You turn it over. This is like a fancy alien technology looking cooling fan. Look at this, you guys. I think it's super cool. You know, I wish this thing, I think, has movement. I wish it was turning like this too while it's doing those movements. It'll be crazy, something giant like this turning. And since assembly is done, we can remove certain tapes. Okay, let's go to step 4. Pivot left or right to increase horizontal coverage. So you can actually pivot this like this or like this, and then tilt the nozzles to direct the airflow manually like this. Oh, this is super cool. Love it. And it's height adjustable. Let's check out the height. Two tapes. From the bottom, from the floor to top, is approximately 30 inches tall. Okay? It's 76.2 centimeters for those of you not living in USA or Imperial measuring system. And here's the height. And this one, when you raise it up, it adds extra 6.5 inches. That is equals to 16.5 centimeters. So basically, altogether, 36.5 inches. It could go up to 36.5 inches, and that equals to almost a meter, 92.7 centimeters. That's not too bad, I guess, if you're putting this in a living room in front of people where they're sitting. I think this could be a great solution for that. Let's go ahead and put the batteries on. Okay, really nice remote. I mean, it has Shark logo on it. That's it. Super easy. Let's go ahead and turn her on. All right. Oh my God, it's super quiet. Here, let me be quiet a little bit so you guys can hear it. Can you hear anything? Wow, I'm impressed. Now I'm gonna increase the speed. A little bit of whining noise coming out, but it's very, very unnoticeable. I mean, impossible. Oh my God, this thing is so quiet. Now, as you increase the speed, whining increases, but still not noticeable. Higher. It has 10 speed adjustments. See the lights? This is the highest speed. Would it turn this way? No. Up? Yes. Okay. Oscillation. Let's check that out. How does that work? I didn't remove the tape. No wonder poor thing can't move. Oscillation happens from the bottom base. So it's very interesting. Here we go. This is how it oscillates. Hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna move this back a little bit further. Very quiet. I mean, it wobbles thanks to that box. It's not wobbly at all. It's super solid. Huh. And there's a timer to it. No LCD screen for timer. So you're gonna have to use a little bit of a guesswork. And it has on the remote, it has specialty modes. It's called, you know, it's for sleep, breeze boost, natural. Very cool. All in all, Shark did a great job, I think. Very impressed, especially the quietness. Comparing to my old fan, this is like an alien technology in my opinion. Let's see what's in the back. Okay, kind of like a filtration type of thing, but it's not removable. Well guys, this is the Shark TurboBlade high-speed multi-directional cooling system. And I just got this off of Amazon. It's a little under, with tax, $270, but very high quality construction, very versatile, and it's definitely a conversation starter if you have guests or something. I recommend this blade based on the quietness and power and the features. If you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to drop me a line. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and feel free to drop a comment if you like. And don't forget to like and share with another techno nerd like I am. And if you're again interested, I'll have the link for this in the description. Thanks for watching Teo's Take, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for many videos like this. Have an awesome day and stay cool.